Hi guys, welcome back to Glitter and Nom. I am here in another white t-shirt to do another brightly colored monochromatic face. So I already have my face base done. I will link the products I used everywhere on my face down in the description box. I forgot eyebrows, be right back. I'm back. Because I have the rest of my face done, I'm gonna start off with my highlight because I'm actually really excited to use this. I got this on sale at Shoppers Drug Mart for $4 from 6 or 7 I think, and this is an Annabelle HOLOlighter. It is not actually holographic, it simply has holographic packaging. It is iridescent. Getting that out there. This is in the shade Pegasus. It is absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see the full extent of this highlighter, but it is gorgeous. It looks chalky on your finger, and then when you put it on and just sort of blend it out, it's got, I really hope that's picking up, but it is a beautiful purpley pink iridescent, and it looks so beautiful. So I'm actually gonna put this on my cheeks right now, and I'm gonna put that just over where my blush is. And this is gonna be quite an extravagant look, so I'm not really concerned about it being too in your face. I really hope you guys can see that because it looks damn fine. Yeah, if you are into the iridescent highlight craze, this is for you, my friends. Okay, so our face is iridescent. So I'm gonna just melt that in with some Pixie Milky Mist. We're gonna jump right into this. I'm going to go into the Huda palette, the Electric Obsessions, and I'm going to start by using this sort of fuchsia. This is the only matte I'm gonna be using, by the way. Extensive research was put into this, and this is the closest to a purple matte I have. But this is, I've already set my lids with a translucent face powder, and now we're going right in with this. And it does pull a little more pink, but this is the closest to a purple matte I have. And purple mattes are kind of hard, and this is just a really good palette for color payoff. So I thought this would be a good shot. So I'm just gonna shape my eye and get this on as a transition color. So you can leave it like this if you really want, but I'm gonna keep going. I'm going to go into this ColourPop SuperShock shadow in ISSA, and this is my sort of dragony, I always think of dragons. I don't know if it's the combination of the color or the print on it or whatnot, but this is sort of a purple blue shifty duochrome, and I'm gonna place this on the outer corner here, and I'm gonna also take that on the inner corner. And now I'm gonna go back into the Huda palette with the same brush that I used the sort of pinky fuchsia with. I'm gonna take a little bit of that, and I'm gonna also go into the purple that's next to it. This one is a shimmer, but I'm gonna kind of fuse it with the matte and use that to blend out up here and just get a nice smooth transition with that creamy SuperShock shade. Take a little bit of the purple and go down the lower lash line. And now I'm gonna take a naked floofy brush and blend everything. Now I'm going to go back into the Annabelle highlighter with my finger yet again under my brow. Get that iridescent fake hollow shit all over the place. Floof it. I'm going to take my e.l.f. smudger brush, and I'm going to go into the the CoverGirl True Naked in Dazed, and I'm going to take the bluish purple here that kind of goes with the whatchamacallit, the ColourPop one. I'm gonna use this to smudge my lower lash line even more. Floof it. That's the trick to making any eye look beautiful, is to just floof the living crap out of it. So now I'm going into my Violet Voss Flamingo palette, and I'm gonna take Bikini. I'm gonna spritzo a packing brush, and this, as I'm sure you guessed, is going right into the middle of my eye. Blend that in with my finger. Man, my left eye is having one hell of a time. Back in with the smudger brush, Bikini, and take that up into the inner corner. So that's it for shadow. I'm now going to take my insanely intense tattooed liner in purple from Skone Cosmetics. I'm gonna get a good line on here. And if that is the end of wearable for you, if you're comfortable with this, you can leave it here and go about your day, as far as liner goes anyway, but I'm gonna continue. I picked up from Sally's this Eye Drama Glitter Liquid Eyeliner from Femme Couture, and it is super glittery. It's a little reminiscent of the Urban Decay ones. It's got this thin brush tip, and I'm gonna get right up in here, do a little wing with this. It's just a little extra pop of something something, and I'm not entirely going over that purple liner. I just want to get that sort of wing shape going with the glitter. I am just murdering this left eye right now. I'm sorry, it looks like ass. For the waterline, I'm gonna use this sort of lavender shade NYX Faux White, and I'm gonna do the waterline. I'm throwing on some mascara. Today I'm just using the Dazed Punk Volumizing Mascara with the big scary wand. Man, I really like this mascara, but I super hate this wand. I, of course, am taking this one step further and using the Essence Vibrant Shock Brow and Lash Mascara. And I'm gonna take this on my lower lashes. Because why the heck not? If you really want to be extreme, you can throw this in your eyebrows. Okay, that's the eyes finito, my friends. Hopefully that wasn't too terrifying. So for lips, got the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Panda, which is obviously purple. Slap this on. And this is funky, but I'm gonna, again, take it up a notch. I picked up the new Holo Now Dewy Lip Shine, or Holo Wow, I can't read. Dewy Lip Shine from Essence. It is very reminiscent of that ColourPop eyeshadow that I put on. It smells like fruity cake deliciousness. Just, oh wow. Can you guys see that? That's gorgeous. It's got a sort of oil spill look to it. That's nice. So I'm gonna do one last milky spray. And there we have it, folks. The finished purple monochromatic face. I'm in love with this. I'm really happy. I think this is probably my favorite. I wish I wasn't wearing a white shirt right now because I'm terrified of all of this transferring. I will have everything I used listed in the description box. I will also have the monochromatic playlist if you want to, if you're just tuning in on this one and want to see the other masterpieces slash disasters I've come up with in the last 2 months. I'm gonna throw a poll up here this time, and you guys can vote on which color you want to see in the next week or two. So, you have a say now. I'm gonna try to do that with these series as I go through them, have you guys vote. I'll pick the first one and you guys can kind of vote on whatever one you want next. Pictures will be up on Instagram, stuff in the description box, poll up here, and we'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe.